Hi, this is Jeannie. Welcome to Cakes and Aprons. Today we will be going back to 1977 to celebrate a wonderful man's life and legacy. Today we will celebrate Jimmy Carter, the 39th president, who did more in his post-presidency than any other president. Do you know he wrote many novels? He won a Nobel Peace Prize. He taught here in Atlanta at Emory University. He began the Carter Center. He was a major contributor to Habitat for Humanity. He also almost eradicated the guinea worm disease. If that's not all, I believe he made a great impact as well as a peacemaker in his presidency. We will celebrate this wonderful man today by making and eating Rosalyn Carter's peanut butter pie, which was published in a Texas newspaper in 1977. Did you know that in 1978, Carter brokered the Camp David Accords? This is a historic peace treaty between Israel and Egypt. And also in 1979, President Carter had 32 solar panels installed on the White House's roof. He is the most environmentally friendly president that we've had thus far. So let's celebrate the legacy of this 39th president by eating Rosalyn Carter's very own recipe of peanut butter pie. First, you will need a 9-inch pie crust. Roll it out, put it in your pan, and fill it with parchment paper. Make sure you cut it so that it fits, and put in your pie weights. Next, you'll bake this at 425 until the crust is golden. Then you will mix a cup of confectioner's sugar and 1.5 cups of peanut butter together until well combined. Put aside about a third of this for later. Then you will press this mixture down in the bottom of your baked pie crust. Next, start making the filling. Put your dry ingredients together, 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Then add 2 cups of milk and your 3 egg yolks. Save the egg whites for later. Put this mixture, this filling, on the stove and mix it until it's thick. Place this mixture over the peanut butter mixture and now start beating your 3 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you put this meringue on the top. I make sure that I spread it so that it still has some stiff peaks that stick up. Finally, you'll sprinkle a little bit of that peanut butter and sugar mixture. So you have a little bit of a reserve from that peanut butter mixture and just sprinkle it on top. Next, you will stick it in the oven for about 10 minutes on 325 degrees. Chill the pie for just a few hours so it sets, and then voila, you are ready to try Rosalyn's peanut butter pie. And now we get to try Rosalyn Carter's peanut butter pie. This pie is so beautiful. You can see all the layers. There's the peanut butter and then the filling, which is like a pudding, and then the meringue on top. It is so good. You may want to pair this with some milk or something to drink if you're gonna have a conversation with somebody while you eat it, because the peanut butter is sticky. This has been such a fun way to celebrate a wonderful man's life. Thank you all so much for coming to Cakes and Aprons, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.